everyone. I am so excited to show you the new KellyCreates metallic small jewel brush pens. I've been waiting and waiting for these to be released, and if you do know my line, you know that I have 8 colors of metallic jewel pens with a large brush tip, and these are a lot smaller. So this is an alphabet I wrote with the small brush tip pens. The colors are the same. So we have here emerald, jade, gold, purple, amethyst is purple, ruby, and, oh wait, do I have 2 jades in there? Okay, I'm missing one. Oh, it's the sapphire I have out here, and I have an extra jade, and silver. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the difference between the large tip jewel pens and the small tip jewel pens, and these are both available in my online store, kellycreates.ca. So I also have a black practice paper pad. Okay, so how large am I going to write? If this is my metallic bullet tip pen, so I will write, I'll just show you the size I'm going to write with my X height being about, let's make it this high. So this is about 1.5 inches, and the X height, and the large jewel brush tip pens will be fine at this X height. So I'll show you what I mean. And I'll just zoom in. Actually, you know what? I'm going to add another line because that's not going to work if I have ascenders. All right. So I have the sapphire of the large jewel. So I will just write the word large. And this is I'm writing really large. So maybe this is a little too large. But with a very large tip, you do actually want to write super large. Okay, but this is way too large. I will write a little bit smaller. That's huge. So this is, like I said, 1.5 inches, which is probably 3.25 centimeters large. I can write smaller, maybe this size. There is an A. Now I don't want to get too small with this because this is a super thick, soft brush tip, and so if you get too small, you're going to have trouble with your transitions. All right. Now, in comparison, let me grab one of these, one of the small jewel tip pens. I'm going to do a different color than sapphire. I was going to do the sapphire, but oh wait, this is a bullet tip pen. Okay, that doesn't belong there, Kelly. My goodness. Let's try the bronze. Okay, and I will write just above it, and I will write as small as I can with this. So, oh wait, first I'm going to show you the side-by-side comparison of the 2 tips. So if you can, I'm going to try to zoom in. If you see here, can you see the comparison of the 2 tips? The one on the left, the large tip obviously is significantly larger than the one on the right. And you can manipulate this, the smaller tip to write really quite small. So let me just, I'll do an ABC, and I'll start kind of bigger, like that. And then I'll get a bit smaller. But you have to be very light-handed with this if you're going to get very small. And I can go even smaller yet. So look at the comparison there, right? And let me write the word small. Oh, I've run out of a line. I'm just going to add the line down here. Where is my, oh, I'll use this. Uh-oh, I didn't put a cap on this, so I hope it's not dry. No, it's good. So I will write small, and here we go. And you can see that you can get a really nice contrast of thick and thin strokes. And remember, it's super smooth paper, but I can write much, much smaller and even a little bit smaller than that. I'm just going to grab a piece of white paper just to show you the difference on writing on the white paper. And it is very pretty and shiny on the white paper as well. So I'll just write Jewel. And I hope you can see that. But it's sometimes hard to see things on like on YouTube or wherever on a video. So hold it up and see if you can tell how shiny it is. Well, my light's not that great either at this time of day, but it is really nice and shiny. So these work on both, like I said, both white and black paper. So you can use, here, I'll just show you one more. This is the jade. Ooh, that's so pretty. I should have left myself more room here at the top, but I didn't. Okay, there's jade on the white, and then let's add jade on the black up here so you can see the difference. Oh, there we go. If you hear something in the background, that's my dog Finn. He has a cone on. There. All right. So these small jewel brush tip pens are really, really great for lettering that is much smaller in size on any kind of paper you like, as long as it's smooth. So I hope you can try them out. They are available in my online store. Thanks for watching.